Okay, good day guys! So for today's video demonstration, punta tayo sa standard ballroom dance na waltz. Okay, basic lang tayo. Ang waltz ay mayroong 3-4 beat, which is counted as like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So ang basic niya is forward, sideward, and close. Alternate, forward, sideward, and close. Okay? Pwede rin backward, sideward, and close, backward, sideward, and close. Okay, pag gagawin po natin yan with partner of course, na naka-close position. So sa ballroom na standard, ang position ng mag-partner ay naka-close like this. Okay, yung lalaki mamaya, ipapakita ko yung may babae. So sa galaw muna tayo. So again, forward, sideward, and close, forward, sideward, and close, backward, sideward, and close, backward, sideward, and close. Okay, while doing the basic step, kung alam niyo na yung basic step, dapat merong character o pagpapakita na para kayo nagpo-float, lumulutang, okay? So parang ganito yon. Sa close position, mag-bend sa forward, habang nasa sideward, umangat hanggang close. Pag magbe-bend ka ulit, dapat pasugod yung another step na. So, down, up, and close. Ganon din sa backward. Down, side, close, down, side, close. With partner. Okay, ngayon ipakita natin with partner. Okay, with partner guys, ang tamang close position is, lalaki sa kaliwang kamay is laging parang nakahingi, lalagay ng babae ang kamay niya doon, at sa kabilang parte, kanang kamay ng lalaki, nandito sa upper part ng likod ng babae, and walang nakadikit na braso dito sa part ng side ng lalaki. Nakaangat to lagi. So, ilalagay lang ng babae dito yung kanyang braso like this. Sana nakikita nyo. Okay? So, ito yung position niya. Pag nakatalikod, ito kami. So, pag nakaharap kami, ito yung proper ng close position. Yung babae nakatingin doon, nakaliyad, naka-forward yung kaliwang paa dito sa side. Yan, liyad pa. And sa lalaki is like this. As you can see, this is the proper execution ng standard, yung close position. Okay, so gagawin na namin yung basic ng waltz. Okay, sige. Ready? Ito yung merong floating effects. Ready? And 1, side, up, down. 1, side, up. Ako naman. Down, side, up. And down, side, up. Para makita nyo, mag-side tayo. Okay? Huwag kang titingin sa ilalim na. Ready? And down, side, up. Down, side, up. Down, side, up. Down, side, up. At yan po ang basic, pinaka-basic ng waltz standard ballroom. So marami pang klase ng ballroom, pero ito yung isa sa pinakamadali at basic na kaya ng mga estudyante. So check this out.